Let's avoid the talk and get to work. So do not miss any steps. In the first step, open settings. After that, select sounds and haptics. Next, move the volume bar. In the next step, push the volume up key to increase sound. After that, push the volume down key to decrease it. Next, keep pressing to adjust continuously. In the next step, open settings. After that, select accessibility. Next, pick touch and turn on assistive touch. In the next step, drag down from the upper right corner. Next, slide the volume control higher or lower. Later, let go to confirm the level. In the next step, open settings. Then select do not disturb. Later, switch it off if turned on. You are good to go.